Fixing your sales tax in QuickBooks Online is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Go to the Taxes or Sales Tax tab in QuickBooks Online. Review your sales tax settings, including tax agencies, tax rates, tax codes, and taxability settings for products and services. Navigate to the Sales Tax Center in QuickBooks Online to view a summary of your sales tax activities, liabilities, and payments. Review the transactions listed in the Sales Tax Center to ensure they are accurate and reflect your actual sales tax obligations. Go to the Sales or Invoicing tab in QuickBooks Online. Review sales transactions such as invoices, sales receipts, and sales orders to ensure that sales tax is applied correctly to taxable items and customers. Generate sales tax reports in QuickBooks Online to review tax collected, tax liabilities, and tax payments. Look for discrepancies or errors in the sales tax reports, such as missing transactions, incorrect tax rates, or duplicate entries. Use the Reconcile feature in the Sales Tax Center to reconcile your sales tax collected with your sales tax liabilities. Compare the amount in the Sales Tax Center with your actual tax returns or filings to ensure they match. If you find errors in sales tax calculations or entries, correct them in QuickBooks Online. Edit sales transactions to adjust tax amounts, tax codes, or tax rates as needed. Delete duplicate or incorrect transactions that may be causing discrepancies in sales tax reporting.